How do we confirm the autosave function is working? Well, the best way to do it would be to work on a file, locate that file on your computer. Let's split the screen to make it easier. Right, so that's the part we're working on. This is where it's saved, right? In here, we want to look for the date and time when this part was last modified, right? Which is today at 13:37, right? At this moment, the autosave function won't do anything because there is no change from the last date. But as soon as we make a modification, let's put a hole there, this point here, drill a hole through. Right, now we're gonna see that at the interval set, the autosave function will automatically, without me doing anything, this part will be autosaved, and this time at which the part was last modified, it will change. Let's change the interval to 30 seconds just to make it quicker. So now in about 30 seconds the part will be autosaved. Here we go. See? 13:42. So now if by mistake this gets closed, there is no problem. The part is there, saved.